Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How do you do? I hope that you and your family are fine and enjoying good health. Dear students, attend your virtual classes and do your homework regularly. It's your social studies class. Now, dear students, here is social studies book Paramount Social Learning. So students, get your social studies book. Open page number 1 and the title of our unit number 1 is Where We Live, and this chapter is about Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, our greatest leader, our hero of Pakistan, our founder of Pakistan, Baba-e-Qaum, Bani-e Pakistan, who is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So dear students, this chapter is all about Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Let's start the reading of this unit. Now students, let's start. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of our country Pakistan, is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He founded Pakistan, उन्होंने पाकिस्तान बनाया in 1947 and became its first Governor General. Here is a picture in which Quaid-e-Azam taking oath as the first Governor General of Pakistan. So dear students, who is the first Governor General of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam. Now let's know the meaning of Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam means great leader. What is the definition of Quaid-e-Azam? Great leader. Basically the name of Quaid-e-Azam is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and this is the title that is given to you, that is given to Quaid-e-Azam, that is given to Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He is also known as Baba-e-Qaum. The title of Quaid-e-Azam is also Baba-e-Qaum, and the meaning of Baba-e-Qaum, father of nation. So Quaid-e-Azam is the father of the nation. Which nation? Nation of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born on 25th December 1876 in Karachi. This is the house of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and he was born on 25th December 1876. In which city? Karachi. He grew up in Karachi and attended Sindh Madrasatul Islam and Mission High School. He was a hard-working student. He would study and read a lot. वो बहुत पढ़ते थे. Like other children, he also loved to play with his friends. He liked horse riding and would ride with his friends. Qasim. At the age of 16, he left for England and decided to study law there. He chose of page number 1. After reading the page number 1, here are some questions. So dear students, note all these questions on your notebook. Again, note all these questions on your notebook. Who was the first Governor General of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam was the first Governor General of Pakistan. This is the answer of this question. Why did Quaid-e-Azam leave for England? He left for England to study law. What other title is given to Quaid-e-Azam? Which title? Baba-e-Qaum. Quaid-e-Azam is also known as Baba-e-Qaum or father of nation. So he is the father of nation. Lincoln's Inn for his law studies. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah chose the university, and the name of the university is Lincoln Inn. He chose Lincoln Inn because he saw the name of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, there as one of the world's greatest lawgivers. कि हज़रत मोहम्मद वसल्लम का नाम उनकी लिस्ट में दुनिया के बड़े लॉ गिवर्स में सबसे बड़े लॉ गिवर्स में आता था उस यूनिवर्सिटी में. He was called to the bar and became one of the youngest barristers from India. इंडिया के वो सबसे यंगेस्ट बैरिस्टर्स बने सबसे पहले. कायदे आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना was part of ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग फॉर 30 years. वो मुस्लिम लीग का 30 साल तक हिस्सा रहे. मुस्लिम लीग वॉज द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी दैट डिमांडेड अ सेपरेट स्टेट फॉर मुस्लिम्स ऑफ सब कॉन्टिनेंट. मुस्लिम लीग वॉज द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टी थी जिन्होंने डिमांड की फॉर द सेपरेट होमलैंड फॉर द मुस्लिम्स. He became the president of All India Muslim League in 1916. Which year he became the president of Muslim League? 1916. 1916 को मुस्लिम लीग के सदर बने. With his wise, honest and committed leadership for the cause of Indian Muslim, he was able to achieve an independent state for them. Due to his leadership, due to his honesty, due to his wiseness, we got this country, this Pakistan, separate homeland for Muslims. This is the picture in which Quaid-e-Azam addressed the people in All India Muslim League session, and this is the picture of 1940. After finishing his studies, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah came back to Karachi for a short time. He then moved to Bombay and started his law practice there. He soon became known for his brilliance as a lawyer. After completion of the studies, Quaid-e-Azam came back to Karachi, and then there he started the practice of law. Now he became the brilliance as a lawyer. In 1913, in which year? In 1913, he joined All India Muslim League. In 1913, he joined All India Muslim League and became one of its most capable leaders. His ability as a lawyer won him many legal cases to safeguard the political interests of the Muslims. Now he became the great lawyer. Now let's move to our next page. From 1940 to 47, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah worked tirelessly for the cause of Pakistan. He was told by his doctors to rest as his health was suffering. Not heeding their advice, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah continued to work at all hours. Now, when Pakistan came into being, Quaid-e-Azam worked very hard for Pakistan. उन्होंने दिन रात मेहनत की, यहाँ तक वो बीमार हो गए. डॉक्टर्स ने उनको एडवाइस की कि वो रेस्ट करें, लेकिन उन्होंने हर घंटे 24 घंटे मेहनत की. On 7th August 1947, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and his sister Fatima Jinnah flew from Delhi to Karachi in a Dakota airplane. The plane landed in Karachi, the new capital of the country he had worked so hard to achieve. Now Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah with his sister Fatima Jinnah came to the Karachi from India, and they landed and they started worked hard for country, for Pakistan. Students, here are some questions that are related from page number 2 and 3. In what year did Quaid-e-Azam join All India Muslim League? He joined All India Muslim League in 1913. This is the answer of this question. Which city did Quaid-e-Azam move to practice law? He moved to Delhi to practice law. How many years did Quaid-e-Azam struggle for the cause of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam struggled for 7 years from 1940 to 1947 for the cause of Pakistan. So dear students, note these 3 questions also on your NEET notebook and learn them also. On 11th August 1947, he addressed the first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan. This is the picture of first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan. Quote from address. What he said in this assembly: we are starting with this fundamental principle that we are all citizens and equal citizens of one state. That we all are citizens and equal citizen, बराबर शहरी हैं. I am sure that with your support and cooperation, we can look forward to Pakistan becoming one of the greatest nation of the world. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So this is the address of Quaid-e-Azam, in which he said that we are the nation, we are one nation, we all are citizens of and equal citizens of Pakistan, of the state, and I am sure that your support and cooperation, आपकी मदद और cooperation से हम पाकिस्तान को one of the greatest nation, one of the greatest country बना सकते हैं. On 14th August 1947, Pakistan became an independent state, with Quaid-e-Azam leading the independence celebration. So, when Pakistan came into being on 14th August, Pakistan came into being due to the great leadership of Quaid-e-Azam. Good. Here are 2 pictures. One picture is when Muslims come to the Karachi, and other is the motto of Quaid-e-Azam: unity, faith, discipline. Now let's start reading of this page, and this is page number 5. He gave the new state of Pakistan a motto: unity, faith, discipline. He gave new motto: unity, faith, discipline. A motto is a saying to guide the actions of people or instructions. This motto is to guide the people. These are the instruction for the peoples. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah passed away on 11th September 1948. Quaid-e-Azam 1948, 11 September 1948 को वफात पा गए. Barely 13th month after the creation of Pakistan. During this time, he worked tirelessly to solve the problems of new nation. His mausoleum overlooks the city of Karachi and is visited by thousands of people from all over Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam का मज़ार कराची में है और वहाँ पे पूरी दुनिया से लोग, हज़ारों की तादाद में लोग कराची विजिट करते हैं. Now students, this is the end of this unit. So students, read this unit, read these pages at your home 2 to 3 times. Let's move toward exercise. and exercise contain fill in the blanks and question answers. Let's move toward to solve the fill in the blanks. Dash was the first Governor General of Pakistan. Dear student, these are your fill in the blanks that are present on your page number 6. So note all these fill in the blanks on your book with your lead pencil. Number 1 is Dash was the first Governor General of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam attended the Dash and Mission High School in Karachi. Quaid-e-Azam attended the Madrasatul Islam. Quaid-e-Azam left for England at the age of 16. Dash was the youngest barrister of India. Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was part of All India Muslim League for 30 years. So right here, Muslim League. Dash was the first capital of Pakistan. Karachi. So Quaid-e-Azam, Madrasatul Islam, 16, Quaid-e-Azam, Muslim League, and Karachi. Here is a question answers from your book, and these are basically your exercise question answers. Our first question is, what does Quaid-e-Azam means? What is the meaning of Quaid-e-Azam? Quaid-e-Azam means great leader. Question number 2 is, what other title is given to Quaid-e-Azam? The answer of this question is, the other title of Quaid-e-Azam is Baba-e-Qaum. Question number 3. Why did Quaid-e-Azam choose Lincoln's Inn for his law studies? The answer of this question is, because the name of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, there as one of the world's greatest lawgivers. So this is the answer of question number 3. Question number 4 is, why was Quaid-e-Azam successful in his law studies abroad? Because he was hardworking. Question number 5 is, describe 3 things that Quaid-e-Azam wanted Pakistan to be like. Quaid-e-Azam wanted 3 things: unity, faith, and discipline. Question number 6 is, what is the importance of the motto Quaid-e-Azam to us? A motto is saying to guide the actions of people or institutions. So this is the importance of Quaid's motto. Question number 7 is, why is Quaid-e-Azam's mausoleum visited by people from all over the Pakistan? Answer of this question is, Quaid-e-Azam mausoleum visited by people from all over the Pakistan because he is founder of Pakistan. He is founder of Pakistan. He is a great leader. Next one is, choose the correct option from the given statement. The founder of our country, Pakistan, is Quaid-e-Azam. So the correct answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam was born on 25th December 1876. Which year? 1876. Quaid-e-Azam attended Sindh Madrasatul Islam. The correct answer is Sindh Madrasatul Islam. So note this task number 1 on your neat book. Exercise page number 7. Dear student, here is activity number 1 for you, and this is the true and false. True or false आपने लगाने हैं. Let's see, read the first statement. Quaid-e-Azam started his law practice in Karachi. No, this statement is wrong. So यहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे F. Quaid-e-Azam was one of the youngest barrister from India. Yes, true. Quaid-e-Azam joined the All India Muslim League in 1930. True. Quaid-e-Azam became the president of All India Muslim League in 1916. True. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah worked from 1930 to 1947 for the cause of Pakistan. Yes, this statement is right. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah passed away on 11th September 1949. No, this statement is totally wrong. He is passed away on 11th September 1948. So write here F. Here activity number 2, that is present on your page number 7. Match the following. Here some match the columns are given on your page number 7. Great leader. Who is great leader? Quaid-e-Azam. This is the correct answer. Baba-e-Qaum. Who is Baba? What is the meaning of Baba-e-Qaum? Father of nation. Fatima Jinnah. Who is Fatima Jinnah? Quaid's sister. Qasim. Who is Qasim? Quaid's friend. So the correct answer is Quaid's friend. This is a project that is present on page number 8. Dear student, complete this project with your lead pencils on your book. This is about the entire life of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. December 1876, Quaid-e-Azam was born. 1913, Quaid-e-Azam joined All India Muslim League. 1916, what happened in 1916? He became the president of All India Muslim League. 1940 to 47, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah worked endlessly for the future of Muslims. 7th August 1947, Muhammad Ali Jinnah and his sister Fatima Jinnah flew to Karachi in Dakota Plain. 11th August 1947, he addressed the first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan. 14th August 1947, Pakistan became an independent state. Jinnah became its first Governor General. 11th September, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah passed away. 1876 में Quaid-e-Azam पैदा हुए. 1913 में उन्होंने मुस्लिम लीग ज्वाइन की. 1916 में वो मुस्लिम लीग के सदर बने. 1940 to 47 he worked endlessly. इन्होंने पाकिस्तान के लिए, मुसलमानों के लिए बहुत मेहनत की. 7th अगस्त 1947 Quaid-e-Azam और उनकी सिस्टर कराची आई फ्रॉम डकोटा प्लेन. From 11th August to 1947, he addressed the first Constituent Assembly. पहली असेंबली से उन्होंने खिताब किया. From 14 August to 1947, पाकिस्तान का बन गया और Quaid-e-Azam उसके पहले गवर्नर जनरल बने. 11 सितंबर को Quaid-e-Azam वफात पा गए. तो दिस इज द होल एंटायर लाइफ ऑफ Quaid-e-Azam. Our homework is read unit number 1 complete and write and learn all questions and answers on your notebook. Solve fill in the blanks, answers, question answers and activity number 1 and 2 and project on your book and question answers on your notebook. So students, I hope that you have understood today's lecture. If you still feel any difficulty or you have any question regarding this lecture, call me at school's number. I will answer your all queries. Dear students, complete your homework that are assigned to you in today's and share your homework on school's WhatsApp number. That's all for today. See you next time. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.